Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. So, welcome back to your Hot's in Maths class. In the previous class, we have done geometry. Yes, we have done shapes, cylinder, square, cone, rectangle, cube, cuboid. Right, students? So, in this class, we will do page number 75. So, students, be ready with your book. Take out your book. Yes. Open page number 75. So, you can see on the screen symmetry, asymmetry. Yes. So, first of all, I will explain you the meaning of symmetry or asymmetry. Okay, students, I will give you one example. See, students, I have this square shape cutout. You can see. Okay, students. If I folded this paper like this, yes, you can see. Yes, now you can see, students, one half means this part, one half is completely covers the other half. Yes, I will explain you again. You can see one half is completely covers the other half. Yes, means you can say two halves, one and two. Two halves are exactly similar, so that one half is completely covers the other half. Yes. So this shape is called symmetrical shape. Okay. This shape is called symmetrical shape because one half is completely covers the other half. Okay. Is it clear to all of you? Okay. So now on the same paper, I will give you one more example. You can see this cutout. If I folded this paper like this, you can see I have folded this paper like this. Yes. Now this half does not covers the other half. You can see, students, that this half doesn't cover the other half, means this shape is asymmetrical. Okay, students, so this shape is asymmetrical, means in simple words you can say if one half is completely covers the other half, that shape is symmetrical shape. Okay, I will give you one more example, students. You can see this is a butterfly. Yes, you can see it. Okay. If I folded this butterfly like this, you can see I have folded this butterfly. Now you can see, students, one half is completely covers the other half. Yes, you can see one half. One half means half part. One half is completely covers the other half. Right? So, this is the example of symmetrical shape. Okay, students? And this line which divides this butterfly into two halves, that line is called line of symmetry. Okay? This line is called line of symmetry. Is it clear to all of you? The word symmetry or asymmetry? Yes? Both the words are clear? Symmetrical shapes and asymmetrical shapes. Now, you can see on page number 75, module 6. State whether the given figures is symmetrical or not. Now, you can see the image, you can see the shape. Yes, this shape is symmetric because the halves make a mirror image. Mirror image means if you will take one half, for example, you have this cutout, right students? If you have this cutout, okay, this is the half, and if you put the mirror against this line, okay, if you put your mirror against this line on this place, right, you will get the complete picture. You will get the complete picture of this figure. Yes. So in this way you can find out the symmetrical shapes and asymmetrical shape. Now in this figure you can see students, this half, you can see this half, yes, it is covering the other half. Yes, if you will fold this image, you will observe that one half is completely covers the other half. So this is symmetric. Okay students, so option A is the right option. Okay, it is done for you. Now we will do first question. You can see there are three shapes. Okay, you can see students. Now you will tell me, okay, you will tell me the first one. You can see, now you will tell me which option is the right option. Yes, very good students, option A is the right option, because you can see one half means this part, one half is completely covers the other. When you will fold it, you will observe that one half is completely covers the other half. So this is the example of symmetrical shape. Okay, so option A is the right option. Okay students, now move to the next, that is second we have. You can observe this is a rectangle, right, and this is the line of symmetry. Okay, this is the line of symmetry. Now students, tell me which option is correct. You can see students, this portion, yes, this portion, yes, does not completely covers this portion. Yes, you can observe that this portion does not completely covers this portion, right? So it is the example of asymmetric. Okay students, so we will tick on B. Okay, now next one we have third shape. You can see, okay, first of all tell me which. This is a trapezium, right? So now you can see this is the line of symmetry. Yes, this is the line of symmetry. And now you can see this part doesn't cover this part. When you will fold it, you will observe that this half doesn't completely covers this half. Okay, so this is the example of asymmetric. Okay, this is the example of asymmetric. Now students, fourth and fifth, this is your homework. Okay, write down homework. This is your homework, fourth and fifth. Okay, hope you understand the topic, right? It is very simple and you will understand it easily. Okay, so now it's time to your diary. Take out your diary students. Write down the date. Write down the date. Write down the homework. Complete page number 75. Write down the homework. Have you written the homework? Okay. So students, in the next class we will do the next topic. Till then, take care. Bye. Have a nice day.